Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch that is not charging. I'll be going over 4 things to try first to hopefully get your smartwatch to charge again. Now, most technological devices encounter glitches sometimes, and it's just a matter of figuring out how to get around those glitches to get them to work again. So this is not anything unusual. If you have any sort of new technological device, this stuff happens all the time with most devices at some point, okay? So the first thing that you want to do is check the outlet and the cord for the charger. So what I have is my charger right over here, okay? I'm gonna actually plug it into the outlet up here, okay? And if my device was not charging, then what I would do is I would start off by checking the outlet. I would make sure that the outlet works. So I would plug in, let's say, a lamp into here or a different phone charger that I know works with a different phone or different device. I wanna make sure that the outlet actually works and there's power coming from the outlet, okay? Then I can go ahead and I can look for any kinks in the charger. So yeah, I would look for any kinks in the charger and see what's going on with the actual charging cable itself. So, and then I would look for the compatibility of the power brick right there to make sure that it's actually compatible, okay? So you want to essentially, check the outlet and the charging cord to make sure that everything works properly. It's telling me there's a software update available. I'm not gonna install it right now just because we're in the middle of a video. I don't want to do that right now. So check the outlet and the cord, make sure everything looks okay and everything works fine. If you see that the outlet works fine and the cord looks okay, the next thing that you're gonna do is actually check the connection. So you wanna look at the actual charging cable, make sure that there's no debris caught in there, right? Then look at the actual back of the Garmin Vivoactive 4 smartwatch and make sure there's no debris caught in there, okay? Then you want to plug it in and you want to listen for a nice solid connection, okay? I'm just going to move away from that screen. I'm going to listen for a nice solid connection, just like that. You want to hear that click, and you want to make sure that it's able to be inserted fully in place. If you can insert it fully in place, if you don't hear the click, then that means that there's a problem. So you want to look for any debris, and believe it or not, because these things are on our wrists all the time like this, rubbing, you know, sometimes we have dirt on our wrists or debris, and that gets caught in the charging port. So make sure that there's no debris. If there is debris in here, you want to go ahead and remove it. Make sure you're getting a good connection. The third thing that you want to do is plug in the charger and remove it a few times. Believe it or not, sometimes in some devices, I believe including this one, this will cause the software to sort of kind of wake up, right? So I'd plug it in, remove it. Plug it in, remove it. Plug it in, remove it. Maybe do this 4 or 5 times. Plug it in, remove it. And that is going to hopefully cause the software to sort of wake up and say like, hello, we need to charge, wake up, right? So try that and then see if it actually starts charging. And then the fourth thing that you want to try is a hard reset. So for hard reset, what you're going to do is you're going to use this top button here to turn the watch off. So you're going to press and hold this down, this top button here, for 15 seconds or so until the screen turns black. You're going to see a few different, you're going to go through a few different screens. I'll actually do it right now. So press and hold it down. It's going to bring you to this screen. I'm still holding it down, okay? It's going to bring you to this screen. I'm still holding it down until the screen turns black. And that's when you know that the smartwatch, the Garmin smartwatch is turned off, okay? It's turned off. To turn it back on and do your hard reset, you're going to sort of just press and hold this down for about 2 seconds till you see that logo. And then it's turning on, and hopefully that will fix the problem. That is, most likely going to be your final step, because that will most likely fix the problem if the other steps haven't fixed the problem, because that will sort of just reset the software back to normal. So that's basically it. Hopefully that gets you charging again. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.